Manega money Owosagi Iga money My people, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to hear this because this man you are seeing here, Joy Bokwe, is one of the people that publicly rejoiced because the Nigerian government kidnapped Martin American. He went down on his nail, thanking his chi that his problem has gone. That Martin American is now in the net of Nigerian government, blah blah blah. Today, I'm not only me is laughing. Like PM shared this screenshot. It's quite funny. Now let's go through it. As you can see on your screen, he said, "I don't carry my motor come out for road. I don't carry my motor come out for road though. No be anywhere I dey go now. For house we don't switch. For house we don't switch off 70% of the electricity to survive. Life na teacher. Life na teacher. My dear, you know." These are people giving you advice. Igbo elite, Igbo, they see tomorrow. Ihe okay na we funa watakere no legally no jono mafia. How have money fully everything. He even went as far as bragging that he's that's where he come from, somewhere I think in Newi, or I don't know where he come from in Anambra. That they are the one, they are kingmakers. Kingmakers, people that knows everything. In fact, how have children only they could get to again blah blah blah. All these red talk Igbo people na were these Okoko politicians. Okoye isi awaro ana. Ndojo, master press no ndojo joro ndojo. Master press no ndojo joro ndojo. Yes, that's the way he used it. Sometimes you wonder what is in their brain. Even though when you know that you are not capable of advising people, must you give advice? Anyway, this is not the reason why we are here, but it's part of it. It's part of it because we are going to touch other things, of course. Welcome back to my channel. Like I said, please, if you are new, subscribe to this channel and like the video. Comment, tell us where you are watching from and what you think about what we are discussing. We are here to discuss issues that concerns our people and humanity. Of course, we are not segregating. We are here to talk about anything that is good for everybody. Not only Biafrans, but every human being that actually like good things. Not those who want to grab land and want to step on other people's toes and the name they want to be king and the queen and the leaders or whatever they call that. Please, let's not forget that Biafran Prime Minister Simon Ekpa need our prayer. Yes, some of us see him as a Odogu. He's Odogu. He's this. He's that. Right? That's what God made him to be, but also he needs our prayer, of course. And there's something that I would like us to discuss in this video, but let's start by picking it one by one. Just like I said, let's be taking it one by one. And in this screenshot you are seeing here is a screenshot made. It is a post from PM, and he has something to say. He said today, how many of the IPOB criminals, IPOB Nigerian of course, are calling Nigerian army terrorists? How many? You hardly see them addressing Nigerian army, with the word terrorist. Why? Because they are not in line with freedom. They brought them over. Their focus now is on PM and their fellow Biafrans. Some of them are not even Biafran because only DNA will prove otherwise. He shared this with a post from PM, from Martin American. This is Martin American post as, let me see the date. I think Martin American made this post on 2021. That was before they kidnapped him. Okay, Martin American said, Nigerian army begs Boko Haram, ISWAP terrorists, okay, for reconciliation. And after reconciliation, they will be recruited into the army and sent to the south, of course, to shoot, to kill. Now you see why I kept calling it a terrorist army and Nigerian is a zoo. Because this post, like I said, is not today's post. But Mazagan PM just want to, remind those who say Mazagan structures maintenance. They are the one claiming they know Mazagan. In fact, Mazagan as a leader of IPOB, it does not carry weight. That there's this imaginary group of people that knows how to lead what Igbos want and how to agitate. And their name is called DOS. They are the Ikakus. They are using their format of PDP, Kakus members, and APC and all that. They are trying to form political group in an organization that an agitator or an activist like Mazen kind of formed. So there's a kind of mixture in the whole thing. Mazen kind of believe in Biafra. He believed that Biafran is achievable. He believed that we need to boycott, anything that is supposed to boycott for you to have your freedom. But these people believe other things. They believe their own belief is totally different from what Mazagano believe on, and that is why we said that. I said that even if Mazagano had even they did not kidnap him, in next 30 years, Biafra will not be achieved because it would have taken Mazagano a lot to get rid of these nonsense people. He know that they are not, the right people. I would have said something different, but had it been that Mazagano did not demand 100 that he need 100 men, why having thousands of people around him? So that alone proved that he understands that those thousands of people that are around him are just smoke individual. They can vanish anytime. They are dead for position to buy them over. Of course, for them to buy them over, they have to kidnap Mazan because due to shame, some of them may find it difficult to give themselves to politicians. But immediately after the kidnap of Mazan Managan, they made it easy for those smoke individuals in the IPOB, and all of them are now bought over, including the one that said that he's Mazan Managan's wife. We are going to touch her issue in this video because I have something to say. And PM said this. This is a cook called the Mega Gift that has been insulting me for 3 years for fighting for Biafra. When I go remember this from root now, you know what it means. And never man also. The queen no yewa boy Mega Gift. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. The queen Chineke. A Mega Gift, the more powerful, on social media. Oh God. They go in and imagine this guy that's a PM, Reverend Prime Minister. Criminal Ekap. Between PM and this picture you are seeing here, who happen to be a Mega Gift, who looks like a criminal? I mean, who looks like Ekperima? Na man also if maybe go. Sometimes when you see these people, you'll be speechless. That's the way I feel now. I'm speechless. Okay? Because I was expecting somebody that is up, somebody that is up there. The question is one make a gift. Or encourage the hand boast to platform. You have to do acquire. Zoe everything now acquire. I beg. So my people, a Mega Gift is not the only one taking advantage of IPOB or Biafrans or Mas Nnamdi Kanu to advance his personal interest. With the Mas Nnamdi Kanu's wife is another individual. Some of them both in US and people that are supposed to be in the front line of Biafran issue. Some of them are hiding their face, some are showing their face. But one thing they have in common is lie. Lie always shift from the truth, move to another thing. Many of you that are here watching my program, some of you, not everybody, have, attacked me. Oh, you don't want to go hard on Master Okano's wife. If you don't want to talk about her, why don't you just keep quiet? Now, you will see my reasons. All this while that I'm holding back, following it the way it is. Today, Master Prophet is out, dishing it out stage by stage. We are going to go through Master Prophet comment, of course. But I want to tell you, today being 23rd of 23rd of September, sorry, Mas Namorokano's wife is on on radio Fulani, not radio. They are there. She's there with, of course, those that are pushing her to do nonsense. I don't know who is pushing who, because some of us may think that the US are pushing her to say it. With what Master Prophet is saying now, it simply means that the woman had been something else before now. And we are going to just a bit of the broadcast. Today's Ono, and for you to know, I'm not going to select any part. Let's just map out some minutes and listen to from now. Let's listen. Just map out for some minutes. I don't even know the part that we are going to listen to. But from there we can move forward. For you to understand what I'm saying, randomly we are going to select any part where she chooses to talk. Now listen. Let me increase the volume because the volume is
I am here to speak on Onyendu's court case, which is coming up tomorrow.
Okay.
The 24th of September 2024.
Okay.
And also on self-preservation, because that very burden has been laying so much strain in my spirit of late. I would also not spend too much time, because I would always say that whatever you say, once you've gone past 30 minutes, the attention span of the people, especially this time of difficulties and all, people's attention span begin to dwindle down. Therefore, as you all know, I visited Onyendu during the summer holidays with our latest son. First of all, we need to bear in mind or remember that we have won the Nigerian government in their court, their very own court. And what we all are dancing in is the dance of incompetence, which has become the common tune in the Nigerian judiciary system. And naturally, I don't like to teach people what they already know. We all are educated. We all know what's going on. Everyone has been kept abreast of the happenings in the legal front, political and otherwise, economical and otherwise. And I having the natural tendencies to find the art of things, to perceive differently from the norm. I am here today to say not here to say what we already know, but to tell us the meaning of what is going on. Today, I am here to tell the Biafrans that what we require from the Nigerian Federal High Court, which is represented by Justice Binta Nyako. We have had enough of Justice Binta Nyako's action. From all that has been happening, she is confused, not because she does not know what is right. She knows that the Nigerian government unleashed mayhem in Afaruku Ibegu in September 2017, killing over 28 people in that quest to eliminate Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu, who narrowly escaped. His survival of that ordeal is a story for another time, another day, another story.
When you hear her talking about warning Binta Nyako that they have had enough, you think that she will have something to do about it. Maybe there's a serious plan on ground on what I'm gonna do next. No. This lady or this woman is not even in contact, is not in good time with any Master Americano's representative so far. I don't know how close that she is with Maxwell, but she's not in good time with Aloy Ejimako, because Aloy Ejimako happened to be her enemy because of Ifeanyi Ejiofor, who many people called her boyfriend. A lot is going on, but like I said, the issue is that Master Prophet is now digging out those secret information that everybody is waiting for Master Khan to be the one to announce, and we are going to go through his comment. But before then, let's listen to her more.
Evaded that responsibility to affirm that assertion that we said this is what happened. Nigerian government evaded this compound, kills people, and you're not even sure if the same man you want to appear in court is alive. So rather than launching your own investigation, you revoked his bail. Insanity. Now she wants to go back to the same Ikpe that she judged. Remember that she has already ruled on this case. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu won, or didn't he? Of course he did. And that's why Nigerian government.
The reason why she's talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today at all, because maybe I will locate a place where she says something about what she normally loves to talk about, which is the criminal here, criminal that, criminal here, and where she was trying to elevate ESN, that if Ejiofor helped to make sure that those commanders were quiet and all that, because the story is not hidden. Everybody knows the role of Ifeanyi Ejiofor with some of the commanders, and those DOS media errat. They're not warriors. I don't know why some people are calling them warriors. These people, they are the one that make sure that they ended ESN. But she's here trying to lie to people that the ESN is everywhere in the Biafran land. But before then, the reason why she's talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at all in this her broadcast today is because the one after she came, what she did last time, she came out and started talking about PM and the Biafrans, criminal here, criminal in Finland, criminal this, and she brought her son to challenge his own father in the name of PM. It's all about what people responded to her. Everybody is questioning her mannerism and everything. Why is it that you don't even talk about your husband? You focus on PM and Biafrans. She's here trying to do damage control. But let us see if you can get to the part that I'm talking about.
Having the security, their safety.
Now she's talking about ESN. Just pay attention.
They are preserving the safety of our people. They are saving them from being slaughtered or raped by Fulani headsmen. So anybody going around mentioning themselves to be ESN, in fact, let me divert a little bit. I happened to have a very good very good summary concerning ESN. Biafrans, I kid you not. If we can give all that we have in terms of trust and belief, and of course, all the support that ESN requires, I kid you not, you will have the best security network in the world. I kid you not. Believe me when I tell you that the first-hand analysis I have, or reports, or summary, I don't know how to put it, but These people are disciplined. Discipline. The way he come talk as somebody be very disciplined. The way he
why you don't know where I want to go, I swear. why I don't know where my place, I think the man the way I told her. Yeah, don't know where I want to go. Chai. Nah. Okay, if I know when Chineke adịghị mmadụ everything. Mazagan is a very wise man, a very handsome, very educated, intelligent person, intelligent man, and God cannot give you everything. Maybe I'm going to I'm not able to talk to be honest with you. I don't know.
mold a child in a certain way. As long as that child is not allowed to have more environmental influential or influencing factors that might
everything. Your word is not even flowing. I thought you said that you studied linguistics, that you are author of English. Queen Elizabeth and her family, royal family, they are learning from you. You are the have you noticed the way she pronounced child? Child simply means that she's been rehearsing on how to pronounce child so that it will look so oral, want to sound like somebody that's speaking from palace, royal family in UK, trying to sound like you cannot force nature. These are the kind of women that love to intimidate people, of course. But I don't need to play her program again. Let's just go straight to the master prophets and touch one or two things, because point not connected the dots, because some of these things that she's saying here is just damage control. But she don't realize that she's exposing herself the more. People who are trying to avoid talking about her, everybody's now not that we don't know what is playing out, but you want it to come from the horse's mouth. And after listening to master prophet, of course, he's part and parcel of the family because he's in-law. So he have access to informations that many of us, if not all of us, don't have. Now listen to this part. Just pay attention. Listen to this part.
I have the ability to feel the pain of people, to absorb whatever emotion you're wearing. I will quickly absorb that. Far away from you, I can still sense it. So for you to be a member of IPOB, you are already on your way to actualizing your racial preservation. If you're following me on Facebook at Uchechigeme Anyamototo Okupano, or on Twitter, known as X, which will be at Okukano, you will come to understand how
when she was doing this program, one of our brother Biafra Unite was streaming live, of course, and Biafrans that were watching how some of us that I want to know what she want to say. Okay, the total number of people that are watching, DOS members are just people. I think we have only 130 people watching live. This her broadcast. Then when you compare it with Biafra Unite had 1,350 people watching. Live program. This is a woman that ordinarily, if she want to come online as Mazmakano's wife, the world will stand still to hear what she want to say. If Ojo Adram man or what, her name is Ojo. A lot will be going against you. A lot. And that is what she's experiencing now. Anyway, because she's trying to do advertisement, let me just allow her to continue. But I think I need to shift the video because I don't need nonsense that she's talking about her platforms. Platform to do what? Where you will be talking nonsense. Where we'll be instigating problem and confusing people. I just want you to hear what she said about ESN. Now, Biafran land everywhere in the forest. But when Bugaram, of course, and herdsmen attack people in Nimbo, in nowhere, in many other places in Biafran land, Biafrans will be calling for Biafran Prime Minister for assist, and he always go there with Biafran Liberation Army to rescue. most of us listening to Asari Dokobo bragging on how he's going to chase Igbo people any corner of Nigeria, that he's going to deal with them. He was bragging that, saying that with on a live video, holding a rifle. Today, no Igbo man will question him, nothing whatsoever, and he tried to carry that action out. PM, of course, and with the help of our Ekap, God of our land, God of creation, and with the help of Biafran Liberation Army, which happened to be the instrument of God, they did the needful. You understand? They make sure that they stop Asad Dokobo. That's why today there's a video that I may, if I have time, I may share it here. Of course, most of you have seen that, where Asad Dokobo is recruiting new members, because those ones that he recruited before, Asawana people that were, following Tinubu whenever he was, the time he was doing his campaign. If you watch some of the campaign during that time, you will see some people that have special force wearing black t-shirts, black attire. At back of their clothes, about at the back, some they wrote there is I think a special force or something like that. Some Nigerian army are wearing the same thing. Outside the Bob Boys was wearing the same thing. They came to Igbo land in Imo, in Enugu, to pave way for Fulani people to render our people useless. If not that PM and Biafran Liberation Army, were on ground, it would have been a different story. Those ones did not see it too. Instead, they are not bragging that they're the one that they're protecting Biafran land and all that. Nonsense people. They know what they're doing, and unfortunately, this woman that attached herself to Master MNK happen to be one of the flavor. It's unfortunate anyway.
And then when roles they play, role play. Universal.
What Master Prophet is trying to say here is to remind you how this woman is forcing herself to act, to dominate in the family where they married her to. So this is something that ordinarily you will not have access to, but being an insider, Master Prophet have access to this. So when he cannot just start his program by talking about why in MNK or they can work it. What he is trying to tell you, the character of this woman, he'll be the today. So this part is number one. Then let us move further, and you hear another part, of course. Now listen.
But your nest of king doesn't mean that no ya get you whether I land na ya ni where. Makana for a nest of king doesn't mean no ya get where go ni na ya where. I don't think I cannot need those sort of money because he can make those money here in Germany. But nyane ku nest of king makiulo esinulo esiama onyezi iwa na ala Igbo efuwene maka arụ ebutere na ala Igbo.
So Master Prophet is trying to touch the point for people who know to know.
Omenala Igbo si no nwoke na-represent na ezinụlọ ndị onye isi, and Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'aka ndị iro ọnụghị ya, so ọ Kanu nta nwoke nọ na mbara ama nọ na mbara ezi onye ga-represent Nnamdi Kanu taga ya apụta.
So what it means is that this woman is trying to overshadow Kanu, and Master Prophet is indirectly telling this woman, look, you don't have the right to do what you are doing. step aside, allow Kanu to pilot the affair. Now, pay attention to this part of the video from Master Prophet. Now, this will tell you that something was fishing between Master Kanu and this woman, acting as if she's that she knows what she's doing the right thing, all right. So before I go further, let me read this post from PM. He said, now you see why they are using the Ejiofor and Ifayoba bed chinch against him. Ifayoba's bed chinch against him, against Master Kanu he's talking about, because the information is not in public until now. It is still not official until Master Kanu can make that public, maybe with a new wife. But for now, let us mind our business. But anyone thinking that you will go play with children in the sand and expect not to be stained, and expect not to get stained, okay, the person must be an idiot. Two of them were struggling who will first donate blood to the Chinchi, thinking they are doing Oyendo. Waiting me, I know plenty, but make I wait. Even the post of PM is not all that clear for some of us that are lacking information. But time will tell. So let us continue with Master Prophet master class, okay? Because I love the exposition. Just pay attention. No, let's continue from the beginning. Start from the beginning. No, start from the beginning. Okay.
Simon Eba. Oh, telling him no. Truly, my go to Simon Eba. No, got to get Simon Eba. And Simon Eba the more popular because no one need shots. Oh my God, that bastard Anna Ochi do Simon Eba. Nah, really, Mamma Simon Eba. Oh my God, yeah, wouldn't I cheat to see me the competent? Yeah, who not the competent? Simon Eba got any Mamma. Oh my God, chicken to see vegetable. That's why Simon Eba just say, hello, check you know, under this church. Oh, we go for work. Oh, we go at even. Oh, we go. Just for a shower, my own name. Come on, at least they got a shower. Tell you what, General and idiot. The Kanu Murumapu, from another woman. Another one with another woman. None the Kanu Murumapu from two different women. And Kwaboya, or one of king. According to Yahoo and the Kanu Bina, England. No register in England. Umakaya, Umomo, Rule 18 or 20, maybe a house of king. But even according to Ordinala, no men are legal. Umakaya Ruby, nest of king. Although na ya won only him Nandi Kanu, Chineke Pepole, a Quincy Pocole, Amajo Hepole, Mono Nalani, Epole. Nest of king, but only a guy ways. I got walk Canonta. The no Nandi Kanu. It depends on the gods of the land or choose. Because now for the baby from my wife yesterday, Divine Mother. Somebody got a Nama Ebedia shrine no before he will be all those rubbish on there. Somebody got a guy with him. Joe Iwana Abawa. That means the gods of the land are to Hogonye who wears. So that means na Fago Beg, Omo Hakashiri can they choose Zonega West. So all the gods of the land they can choose Zonega was maybe the gods of the land Ajobe Gatopulo and the Khan. Maybe all your culture go west. Because none of the Khan obey or no here. So Kanonda Gawa Kana only represent.
If I can hear correctly from Master Prophet at the beginning of this video, where he said that the nega hobego flave. Now carry money ejega we that bola shawo. Ya baka no engage we ko isu aya ka o de ko gua ge kwe nti again.
Eto we go furo. O we ga carry ime o we go jije bola shawo man yo na eme. Come at least they otra shawo. Can we chelo and idiot.
Oh. Nega ejiwe ko gwa ejiwe ga no wa ya na ejiwe ga no and idiot. No come and ejiwe pota show my for you to know that Master Prophet have had enough. Master Prophet has had enough because this woman said that they had enough from Bent and Yako. Master Prophet had enough from you because, like I said, Master Nakana's family are trying to respect this woman, but she don't even know that they are respecting her. And for you to know what she's committing within, compare what she's doing, doing in the public, then that will tell you what she's doing in the secret. A woman who don't know how to talk, no regard, no respect, not even to the husband. A lot is going on, my people, and I'm not going to prolong this video. In fact, it's already a long video, but just manage it that way. So we are going to draw the curtain close here. There's other clips, of course, but for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be too long. Let's end it here. Thank you so much for your time, and please, before you go, subscribe if you're new, like the video, comment and tell us what you think about all we've discussed, from Joy Bokwe's regret and his own testimony within the new government that he desires so much, Tinubu to become Jagaban and everything, down to now he cannot even, that he have taken his vehicle away from the road because of fuel, and he's no more using some of his electrical appliances at home. 70% of his electrical appliances in his house have been turned off because of tariff and all that. So tell me what you think about that, and compare it with other political advisors, those who are telling you that in one Nigerian we move, everything is okay. You just need a neighbor man, somebody who know what he or she is doing and all that. They are doing that and saying that because of the appointment they are hoping to have, not because of you, not because of a common man, not because of our region, Igbo land or Biafran land, nothing at all. It's for their own personal gain. So please, and tell me what you think about Uchechi and Master Prophet, everything that we have discussed so far. I would like to read your own take on the comment section. God bless you all and have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.